Igbo Tutor live. This is what we do every Saturday, 2 p.m. West African time. Wherever you are now, and you're seeing me, I am here live. We want to talk Igbo language. The session is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. This is what we do every Saturday by 2 p.m. It's a time to challenge yourself to learn Igbo language. By the way, I have to introduce myself. In case you are seeing me now, or you're about to join the class, I am the Igbo tutor, the anchor of the Igbo Tutor YouTube channel. We came up with the idea of running live sessions based on popular demand. In this live session, we challenge ourselves to measure our level of progress in learning Igbo language, learn new things, and practice those ones we have learned already. We are a community of Igbo lovers, and we come together by this time every Saturday to learn and challenge ourselves to Igbo language. So wherever you are, we have our scheduled time, 2 p.m. West African time, 1300 GMT. So wherever you are, it's time to join up. We agreed to always come to class on time because we want to keep to time as much as possible. So we don't want to keep anyone waiting. So when you should know the time, block it off in your calendar and clear your table and be sure you're ready for this class at the appropriate time. So one of the source of business is punctuality. So let's be punctual to class. Let's always come on time so we can deal with our lessons and move on to other things. So I am the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafor. So wherever you are hearing my voice now, seeing me, please join up. Let's do this together. This is a special session where we come together from every part of the world to learn and challenge ourselves to improve on our Igbo language speaking. So wherever you are, join up now. You are an Igbo lover, Igbo business partner, Igbo friend, Igbo fiancé or fiancée, Igbo wife or husband, or you are born by Igbo parents, or you have difficulty understanding how to write and speak Igbo language. This is where to be. So come on board now. Let's do this together. We are starting very soon. We just want to give about 2 or 3 minutes to wait for those who are on their way joining. We have some people already in class. Silver North, Kedu Kimere, Ademoma, Dewo Silver North. You are the first person to come to class today. Appreciate that. Where are the rest? Join up now. Let's do this together. Where are the rest? Come on board. There is no time to waste at all. Ogade, Emengwa, Emeara, Odachi. That is Igbo proverb. When you do things on time, you will avoid other obstructions that may come on your way. So let's come on board now. Where are you? Join up. We have begun already. We are moving on already. Let's start this class today. I am the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafor. Where are the people? Please, Silver North, if you are hearing me, indicate you are hearing me loud and clear so that I'll be sure I'm not speaking to myself. Silver North, please indicate my voice is clear enough. Indicate my voice is clear enough. You can hear me. You can understand what I'm saying clearly. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response. Silver North, loud and clear. That's great. That's great. That's great. Thank you, emailer. That's great. So we are good to go. Where are the rest people? Join up this class now. Okay, Nneka Ichok, Ndewo Mazi Okafor, na class. Afambo Nneka Ichok, an Igbo learner in St. Louis, USA. Abumonye Abagana, Anambra State. Great. Nneka Ichok, we are welcome to class today. We appreciate you being here. Where are the rest people? Join up now. Nneka is here. Shiva North is here. Nneka, I also appreciate you. You have bought our book 1 or 2 times. And Shiva North also has patronized us, buying our books up. So Nneka, we have new books. In case you've not bought them, check it up in the bookshop and get them into your bookshelf. In fact, the latest one is very interesting. So get them, Igbo preposition. So don't miss it, Nneka. Get it if you have not done that. I'm waiting for others to join up now. We want to start in earnest. We have to start. We don't waste any time waiting for other people. And we don't want to repeat what we have done already. So it's better you join up now if you want to be part of this class. Okay, Chikeze Madonna, class captain has come in. Yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Anomeba. Yeah, where are the rest? We want to move on now. Before we move on today, you are all welcome to class. No, na class in Qatar. want to review what we have done, where we ended our last week class. We stopped at the word nyeri, okay? Or I got to ozizi, ozizi. I don't know whether nyeri or ozizi was the last word we considered last week. Please confirm the last word we did last week if you are in last week class. Is it nyeri or ozizi? Can somebody confirm that as we kick off today's class? Yes, what was the last word we dealt with? Is it nyeri or ozizi? In my record, I have ozizi as the last word. Which one? Ozizi was the last word. Okay, Chikezi has confirmed that. That is also correct by my record. So ozizi was the last word we considered last week. We're picking it up from there. I hope others will join up on time so we don't drag ourselves too long in the class today. So we are moving on with ozizi. Ka anyị bido class nke taa. Ndewo unu na class. Nnọọ ụmụnne m. Agbanyeghị ebe ọbụla isi bịa, isi America, isi UK, isi Nigeria, isi Asia, Canada, anywhere, ebe ọbụla isi, ana m asị onye ọbụla nọ na class n'aha Jesus. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu na class nke taa. Let's go on with today's class. Okay, I'll be speaking Igbo and English together, so you'll be joining me, but you can be sure, I will carry you along. If I go too fast, you drop me back. If I say anything you don't understand, let me know. I've said what you don't know, so we can all flow together. Mkpụrụ okwu anyị na-ele anya nke mbụ taa bụ ọzara. Ọzara. That is the first word we're looking at today, ọzara. Can somebody drop the word Ozara for me in Igbo? Ozara. Ozara. Drop the word. Yeah, that's the word. That's the first word for today. Ozara. Yeah. Okay, Clement Emehe, you are welcome to class. No. Okay, the first word today is Ozara. Ozara. Drop the word. Yeah, Chikezi has done that. Ozara. I can see that. Clement has done that. Ozara. Who else is answering this question? Who else? Remember our procedure in case you are new to our class. We begin by dropping the Igbo word. You try to understand if you can pick the word correctly from my voice. From the sound of the alphabet, you can be able to put the word together and write it correctly. That is the first stage. When you're able to write it, the second stage is that we deal with the meaning of the word in English. When we've done that, we now move to the last stage, which is doing a simple sentence with that same word to show a perfect understanding of that Igbo word. First, the spelling, understanding of the alphabet, okay? Understanding of the alphabet, the meaning of the word, a simple sentence with the word. With that, we are sure you are very good in that aspect. Your English, Igbo vocabulary is up to date. You understand the alphabet sounds, you know the spelling of the words, and you can do a simple sentence with that word. So we're dealing with the first word, Ozara. I have three answers already. Chikezie Ozara, Clement Ozara, Neka Ichok Ozara. And I think your answers are perfectly right. Okay? I didn't see the response of my first student today, Shibonot. Please try to make effort. Don't just listen. Do something. That is the way to measure your level of progress. So just try. Write what you think, the way it sounds in your ear, or the way you understand the spelling. Just write something. Shivanot. So with that, okay, I've seen Shivanot coming in. That's great. Ozara. We are all correct. That is the spelling of the word. The second challenge, what is the meaning of the word Ozara? What does it mean? Ozara. What does it mean? Yeah, drop the meaning of the word Ozara. That is the second challenge. What is the meaning of the word? Chikezie Madonna, desert. Okay, that's your own response. Waiting for others. What is the meaning of Ozara? What does it mean in Igbo language? In English, rather, what does it mean? Ozara. What is the meaning of the word? Ozara. Yeah, while I'm waiting for you, hit the thumbs up for this video. Igbo, you're welcome to class. Okay, you're welcome to class. Igbo, no, na class. Okay, the word we're dealing with is Ozara because you are coming in a little bit late. And the meaning of the word is what we're dealing with now. They've dropped this spelling of the word and they all got it right. Then we're dealing with the meaning of the word Ozara. Please don't forget to hit the like button under this your video or on top. I don't know where it's located in your own window. When you hit the like button, please hit the share button. Share this video out so that more people can, get access to it and more people can come into this class. These are the two things you can do for me now. It doesn't cost you money or anything. Just your way of showing solidarity and support. Hit the like button and then hit the share button. That's the least you can do for your teacher at this time. So don't forget to do that. If you are in this class and you have not done that, you are not doing well for us. You are not showing enough support. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Okay? Somebody has said, Ozara, desert, desert, desert. Okay? Desert is correct, or wilderness. Both are correct. Wilderness. Okay? There is also another word that we can use for desert. We call desert Ikpa. Ikpa. There's another word for desert, Ikpa. But Ozara is wilderness. But both words are used interchangeably sometimes, Ozara or Ikpa. Okay, some people call Ikpa I with dot under KPA, Ikpa. We also call it like that, Ikpa or Ozara. Desert, wilderness. Those two words sometimes go hand in hand, okay? Ikpa, Ozara, okay? Depends on where you're coming from. So that is a wilderness is Ozara. Then is also desert, okay? But the difference between wilderness and desert is that desert only have sand, they may not have trees in them. That's for desert. You may not have trees in them. But Ozara may have trees, may have other shrubs there and trees, but it's actually a place nobody goes often. So it's wilderness, okay? We're making progress. Is the sound of Ozara the same for he swept? No, no. He swept is Ozara. Ozara. That is two words. He is then Zara swept. So in he swept, he had to be separate. Zara. You are referring to somebody. Zara. He swept. So with dot under, then Zara had to stand separate. Okay? You can as well say Ozari here, he swept. Ozarolo, he swept the house. I'm talking to Clement Emehe now, but I hope that is clear enough for your question. Okay, we've done that already. We move to the next one. The next one is Ogumagana. Great. This is a little bit challenging. Ogumagana. That is the word. You have to write the spelling. Ogumagana. Ogumagana. Let me see those who can really get this in. Ogumagana. Write the word. Ogumagana. What is that? Some people say, is this Igbo? Of course, it's Igbo. Write it. Sentence for Zara. We've done, okay, sentence for Zara. Okay, Clement is bringing me back. I did not get something. We have to do sentence for Zara. Thank you, Clement, for reminding me. I didn't complete the process. Sentence for Zara. Let's take it this way. The wilderness is so dry. The wilderness is so dry. The wilderness is so dry or is dry. Okay, that is the sentence. Okay, before Clement, before we go to, okay, while we are writing Ogumagana, we're making sentence for Ozara. And the sentence is, the wilderness or the desert is dry. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language before we move to Ogumagana. Before we move to Ogumagana, okay? Let's write our sentence. The wilderness or the desert is dry. The wilderness or desert is dry. Let's write the sentence first in Igbo before we move to Ogumagana. Okay? Those of you who have dropped your answers, that is noted. But let's do the sentence first. Ozara Boronko, that's what Chikeze has written. Waiting for others. The wilderness is dry, or the desert is dry. Write it in Igbo language. The wilderness or the desert is dry. Write that in Igbo language. The wilderness or the desert is dry. I just got one response. I'm waiting for others. The wilderness or the desert is dry. Write that in Igbo language. Waiting for you. I got only one response. Yeah, what are the rest doing? Igbo, where are you? Clement, you have not written that sentence. Shiv or not, you have not written. Only Chikezi has dropped his own. What are you guys waiting for? The wilderness is dry. Clement, Ozara de Boronko. Okay, that's a good trial. The wilderness is dry. The wilderness is dry. Two people have responded. What are the rest doing? Yes, waiting for you. The wilderness is dry. Write that in Igbo language. The wilderness is dry. Waiting for you. Dr. Blai, Deo, welcome to class, Dr. Blai. Okay, the sentence we are dealing with is the wilderness is dry. Write it in Igbo language. Ozara Boronko. Okay, that is Igbo. Good effort. What are the rest people doing? The wilderness is dry. Write that sentence in Igbo language. The wilderness is dry. Write that in Igbo language. Neka, where are you? Ichoku. You have not done anything. You have not written. Make effort. Just put in your effort. Neka. Yes. The wilderness is dry. Only 3 people have responded. What are the rest doing? Okay? I'm waiting for you. Write the sentence. The wilderness is dry. Yes. Who else is trying? Who else is making effort? Allah Ozara Boronko. Okay, that's Neka. Allah Ozara Boronko. Okay, good try. Allah Ozara Boronko. Okay, let's look at the sentences. Chikeze wrote, Ozara ahụ Boronko, the wilderness. That is perfect. The. You have to include that. The. Ozara ahụ. Okay, that is the wilderness. If you just write wilderness, like Clement wrote Ozara, Ozara, only Ozara, Borode. No. Igbo wrote Ozara Boronko, good, but not the. He just wrote wilderness is dry. But Ozara, the wilderness, that's where Chikezie got it perfectly better. Ozara Boronko. Okay. Clement wrote Ozara de Boronko. No, that is not. Your unko is not correct. It's NKU with dot under. Unko, Boronko, dry, not unko. Okay? So, Igbo wrote Ozara Boronko, good, but Ozara is not there. The wilderness. Okay? Neka wrote Allah Ozara Boronko. Okay? Good. Allah Ozara, but it's Ozara. Okay? But that's a fair trial. Some of you have not hit the like button and it's not good for you. You are not showing solidarity to your teacher. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and share out this video to your contacts so that they can all come in. This is important to us. Thank you for doing that. Okay. Now the next word we're dealing with is Ogumagana. Some have written that, but we're going to look at those who have not written. Ogumagana. But Ozarahu should be this wilderness. No, Ozarahu is that the wilderness or that wilderness. If it is this wilderness, it becomes Ozara and Care, or Zara, that is this. I'm talking to Igbo now. If it is this wilderness or this one is Ozara and Care, that is this. But if it's the wilderness or that wilderness, it is correct. It's Ozara, Onya, that person. Igbo, I hope that is clear enough. Okay? Now we're going to the next word, and the word is Ogumagana. Ogumagana. Some have written that. Those who have not written, drop your own word, the spelling of the word. Ogumagana. Ogumagana. Write it now. 2 people wrote before. I think Chikezie and Chikezie wrote, and Clement and Mehe, they wrote Ogumagana. Ogumagana. So I wait for the rest to write the word. Okay, Igbo wrote Ogumagana. Great. Yeah. Where is Neka? Write Ogumagana. And the rest. Yes. Shiva not. Where is my sister here? Okay. Where is my sister here? Okay, Shiva. Okay. Shiva not. You have not written Ogumagana. You've not written the sentence. Please flow in this. Okay, Shiva not is here. Boronko. Okay, I think your response is coming a little bit late. Maybe network issue. Shiva not. Okay. Allah Boronko is Allah. It's not just Allah. I'm talking to Shivon. It's not just Allah. We talk about wilderness, not just land. If it's Allah Boronko, it's the land is dry. Okay? But we're talking about wilderness or desert. We mentioned a particular kind of land, which is Ozara, wilderness or desert. Okay? So it's Ozara Boronko talking to Shivonot. Okay? Okay, Shivon has written Ogumagana. That's great. Your response comes earlier now. Neka wrote Ogumagana. That's good. All your spellings are correct. It's Ogumagana. Okay, that's good effort. Now let's look at the meaning of the word. What is the meaning of the word Ogumagana? What is it in English? What does that word mean? Ogumagana. What is it? Yeah, drop the meaning. Let me have your meaning of the word chameleon. Chikezero chameleon. Yeah. Waiting for others. What is your own understanding of the meaning of that word? Ogumagana. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ bekee? Gịnị ka ogumagana bụ n'asụsụ bekee? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Somebody wrote chameleon. Yeah. What are you writing? What is your own response? Write something. Waiting for you. That's the next stage. What is the meaning of the word Ogumagana in Igbo, in English language? Yeah, waiting for you. It appears some people are having network challenge and going off and on, but all the same, we're going to overcome that. Let's push. Yes. What is the meaning? Okay. What is the meaning of the word? What is the English meaning of the word Ogumagana? Only one person has dropped response. What are the rest doing? Oh, you don't know? If you don't know, just write, I don't know. Let's move on. If you don't know the meaning of the word Ogumagana, say, I don't know. Okay, Amayem. Igbo say, Amayem. Better. Let's know you don't know, so I don't wait for you endlessly. If you don't know the meaning, say, I don't know. Igbo has said that, set us free. I don't know. Amayem. Simple. I don't know. Amayem, Clement say Amayem, that's fine. And I don't think Neka Ichioku will know that. Neka, do you know that? If you know, say yes, I know, right? If you don't know, say Amayem, join the chorus of Amayem people so that we can move on from there. Neka, Imaraya, Obun Imaraya, say Amayem ya, Neka. Okay, Shivon. Okay, Shivon, do you know that? If you don't know, say I don't know. Neka say, I will speak, but not sure. I will speak, but not sure. You are not sure. How about Shivon? Do you know it? If you don't know, say, Amayem, join the chorus. Amayem, I don't know. Shivon, do you know Gumagana in English? Waiting for you. Do you know that? If you know, say, it's right. If you don't know, say, I don't know. Let's move on. Waiting for Shivon. Yes. You know the meaning of Ogumagana? Do you know? Shiva or not? Give me a response. Waiting for you. Let's move on. Yeah. Shiva has not answered my question. Do you know the meaning of this word, Ogumagana, in English? Okay. So most of you are learning this word for the first time today. You are learning it new. Anyway, if you've been watching my videos, if you go to my video, the name of all animals in Igbo language, you will be familiar with the name of all animals in Igbo language. The video is my homepage. Go and check it. Name of all animals in Igbo language. Go to that video. It's there. We try to put the perfect picture of all animals you can think about. Big animal, small one, farm one, bush one, water animal, air animal, whatever. Go to that video in our homepage. Check for name of all animals in Igbo language. It's there in our homepage. Check for that video. You will just get educated on that. It's not only this one, but you will learn more. All animals are covered in Igbo language. So check out that video in our homepage and watch it. So Clement, the class captain, got the meaning perfectly. Ogumagana is chameleon. That is chameleon. That is chameleon. Very perfect. Can you give Clement a thumbs up or a clapping emoji? And that he's still showing he's the class captain. Nobody has been able to dethrone him. So give our class captain a clapping emoji. He deserves it. It's not easy to know the meaning of this word. So give him a clapping emoji. class captain deserve a clap. I'm not seeing you are clapping. I have not seen any clapping emoji. You can't find it in your phone, on your computer. I say clap for our class captain. Let me see your emoji. Let me see your clapping emoji for our class captain for knowing the meaning of that word. It shows he's really the captain of this class. Yeah, that's great. Chikezie is clapping for himself. What are other people doing? They are not clapping for him. Are you jealous? I say clap for your class captain. You are not doing that. I'm waiting for your clapping. Drop your emoji. Drop your clapping emoji for your class captain. What are you waiting for? You're not doing that. I hope you're not angry. Okay, Clement has done that. Who else is doing that? I will not go forward unless you do that. Okay. That's good. You have tried. Thank you for that. Yes. What about Neka? You've not clap for your class captain. Don't be jealous. Just clap. Okay. As we move on, waiting for your clapping as we move on. And then the next word is okoloto. Oh, we've not made a sentence with that. Sorry. Don't move on to anywhere. Stella, you're welcome. You're clapping for your class captain. Siobhan, that's good. That's good. Thank you for the clap. So we're not moving on. We've not made a sentence with Ogumagana. Okay. The chameleon is walking slowly. That is the sentence. The chameleon is walking slowly. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language. The chameleon is walking slowly. Okay? The chameleon is walking slowly. That is the sentence. Can you now write that in Igbo language? The chameleon is walking slowly. Write that in Igbo language. Up till now, some of you have not hit the like button, and it's not funny at all. Some of you have not hit the share button, and it's not good enough for you. Up till now, some of you have not done that. That is not fair enough. Okay, we are moving on. We're making a sentence. The chameleon is walking slowly. That is the sentence. Now, write it in Igbo language. The chameleon is walking slowly. Chikeze has written something. I'm waiting for others to write. I'm waiting for the response of other people. Okay, I am Igbo. Stella say I'm Igbo. Of course, thank God you are Igbo. That's why you are here learning Igbo language. No, one them why. Are you a man? Stella is a woman, so no one them why. No na class Igbo. Dalo, imere nke ọma, iso anyị n'ebe a. You did well to follow us here. Neka, where are you? Which part of the world are you? Are you in Nigeria or outside Nigeria? Just drop the name of the country where you're joining from. Stella. Yeah, Stella, I'm waiting to hear that. Where are you? Which part of the world are you? Okay, some are dropping sentences. Ogumagada ahụ na-aga ije nwayọọ nwayọọ. Igbo. Clement. Ogumagada na-aga ije nwayọọ nwayọọ. Clement wrote, Chikezie wrote, Ogumagada ahụ na-aga ije obere obere. Okay, obere obere. Nwayọọ nwayọọ. Obere obere. Let's see who gets it. Okay, anybody trying again? The chameleon is walking slowly. Slowly. Okay? Who is dropping the sentence again? The chameleon is walking slowly. Drop that sentence in Igbo language. Some of us have not hit the like button. That's not fair enough. Hit the like button, share, hit the share button. Do that for us. That's the least you can do for us now. You are not going to pay money to do that. Look at the like button. Maybe it's under your own video window or on top. Just hit it and hit the share button. That's the least thing you can do for us now as a support. Okay. Now let's look at the responses. Chikeze wrote, Ogumagana na gije obere obere. Stella, you have not told us where you are joining from, where you are. Stella, we are waiting for that response. Igbo wrote Ogumagana. Igbo, your spelling of Ogumagana is not correct. It's Ogumagana, not Ogumagara. Where you put R at the back is N, not R. Okay? Ogumagada. Nagije. Nwayọọ. Wonderful. And then Clement wrote Ogumagada. Naje. Nwayọọ. Neje. If you want to use neje, you have to complete it, Clement. you have to put E in front of G to make it complete. It will sound neje, okay? Neje, so that it will be complete, okay? I'm talking to Clement Amen. Okay, so Ogumagana neje nwayo nwayo, that is also correct. Stella, Ogumagana na-aga ije nwayo nwayo. Stella, you have not told us where you are joining us from, where you are, which part of the world you are. You've not answered that question. Answer your teacher's question, though, it's very important to us. Okay, Shimon, Ogumagana ji nwayo nwayo na-aga. It's also correct. Ji nwayo nwayo na-aga. I'm from Bise. Okay, are you in Nigeria now? That's what I mean. Are you in Nigeria or you're out? You are joining outside from Nigeria. Are you out of Nigeria or you're in Nigeria, Stella? That's actually my question. Okay, one be sendeo. So that's the main thing I want to know. Are you out of Nigeria or you are in Nigeria? Okay, Ogumagara jinwayo nwayo naga. That's also correct. Okay, Stella, I'm from B. Okay, Neka Icho, Ogumagara ji nwayo nwayo naije. No, Oboye naije. Is you say neje, you can say neje or naga, not naije. Talking to Neka, it's not naije. You either say neje or naga, not naije. No, that's not correct. So correct that. Okay, so for those who got it correctly and perfectly, Chikeze wrote Ogumagada na-aga ije obere obere. That is not really obere obere. I say it has to be nwayo. It's not obere obere. It's not small. I say slowly, not obere obere. It's nwayo. Okay, that's how the chameleon matches the ground. Carefully, as if the ground will collapse under it. So it's actually nwayo. So those who use nwayo, yeah, that is better. That is perfect. Okay, it's neje. Okay, that's perfect. We are done with that. I see that Stella doesn't want to tell us where she is. Okay, maybe she's afraid I will come to meet her then. Okay, you say I am out. If you are out, I ask you which part of the world you are. Those of us who are here, we know where we are, so we address us sometimes based on where we are, and we mention that. Those who are from America, I know them. Those who are from Austria, they are here. Those who are from UK, I know them. We know, that is how we know each other, sometimes personally, and then we connect to each other. So I didn't say you should hide where you are. Okay, I'm in Holland. That's simple, as simple as that. You are in Holland. That's all we wanted to know. We have people from Austria here, from Canada, from UK, from Germany. We all have them here. So nothing to fear. This is a safe place to be. It's a safe channel. This is where your brothers and sisters are. We don't allow any bad thing to happen to anybody here or through our channel. So you can be sure you are safe here. So Stella is from Holland. Stella, welcome. No, I don't know how they say no in Holland. I don't know whether you speak English or Dutch. I think that's Dutch, if I'm right. So I don't know how to say welcome in Dutch. Okay, Niger Young. Nda, thank you for passing knowledge. Love from California. Simple. This guy is just joining now. He says he's from California and he's sending love to us. That's simple. We are brothers. We are lovers for each other. So we share. We don't hide ourselves. Okay, no, my brother. Okay. Dr. Blahi, your response is coming so late. Ogumagana is Ogu. That place you put G is G. The place you put K is actually G. Okay, for Dr. Blahi, it's not Okumagana, it's Ogumagana. My friend Niger Young from California, you're highly welcome. No, na class yani. Okay, we've made sentence with Ogumagana, we've dealt with that, we're moving on. The next word is Okoloto. It's in today's words are special words. Okoloto. Drop the word. What is the word in Igbo? Okoloto. Drop the word. Spell it right. Write it in the chat. Okoloto. Okay. Chikeze has written Okoloto. I'm waiting for others. Some of you have not hit like button. I don't know how much I'm going to say that. Some of you have not hit the share button. I don't know why. I hope I don't have stubborn students in class today. Sorry for using that word. I hope you are not disobedient to your teacher, but you have to do a simple thing your teacher asked you to do. I don't know whether it's very hard to do. Okay, Okoloto. Some have written Okoloto. They are dropping it. Chikezie, Stella, Stella, do you have Igbo app or Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer? If you don't, you have to install Igbo keyboard. I don't know whether you have tried that before. You go to setting, go to language, go to keyboard, and choose Kwati Igbo. Install it, choose it, and then put it and select it, and then also install it in your phone. Then your keyboard will be toggling with it between Igbo and English. You have both on your keyboard. So when you want to use Igbo alphabet, you press it down, hold it down. It will show you options of Igbo alphabet with dot under or dot on top, or as the case may be. So you can always write your words perfectly like others are doing. That's how we all have Igbo keyboard in our phone. You don't need to go and buy keyboard. You can do the same thing in computer. You don't need to go and buy a new keyboard. Go to setting, go to language, go to keyboard, select Kwati Igbo, choose it, highlight it, put it in your computer or phone. You'll always be using the two anytime you want, right? So it's available. Okay. So, okay, Dr. Adlai is still asking me the meaning of Ogumagana, which means he lost us at a point. Dr. Ogumagana means chameleon. Chameleon. Talking to Dr. Adlai is chameleon. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. Okay, Ike Mike, I'm trying to learn Igbo. I was looking for ways to learn and stumble on your life. Automatic subscription. Thank you, EKNC. EKNC, which part of the world are you joining from? EKNC, okay? Which part of the world are you? We always identify our people by their location. Are you joining from Nigeria, UK, US, Canada, Holland, Austria? Where are you? Asia, where are you? Talking to EKNC. We need to know where you are joining from. So you are highly welcome. The word we are dealing with now is okoloto. And some people have already dropped that in the chat session, the spelling of the word okoloto. Yeah. And for those of you who are joining newly, what we do here is Igbo drill. So we do drill, and it's in 3 phases. First, okay, Ike is from Switzerland. Ike, you're welcome from Switzerland. No one then okay, Dalo. So we drop the word first. We'll try to challenge you to write the word by understanding the sound as I pronounce it. Let's see whether you can understand the Igbo alphabet. So you write the word. When you write, we go to the next stage, which is the meaning of the word in the English language. To know whether you understand the meaning of the word, we deal with that. Then we go to the third level, making a short, simple sentence using the word. This is the way we measure our level of progress or understanding of Igbo language, and also learn new words, learn new sentences, learn new spellings, learn new alphabets. All we do at a go in this live session. Remember, if you are new to this channel, the first thing you have to do is to subscribe to our channel. The second thing you have to do if you are new is to get ready to also buy our ebooks, because most of us here are old students who have already gone far. You are joining newly, you need to really start from the basics, and you get those from our ebooks, which are unique and special. These ebooks come with text and audio. By that I mean, when you buy our ebooks, you download the audio and then keep it in your phone or computer for live. So whether you are online or offline, you can listen to our teachings. And with that, you can always listen where you're driving, where you're cooking, where you're doing laundry. You can listen to me talking to you, and you have a perfect understanding. You get the alphabets, you know the alphabets, know the numbers, know the 2-letter words, know the simple verbs and whatever. They are all covered in our books. We have about 10 books there in our bookshop. So those who are coming in newly, the first thing you should do is to go to our bookshop and buy. But will be after this lesson. We're going to drop a link to our bookshop to a pinned comment of this video that will be uploaded after this live session. The description box also of this video contains a link to our bookshop. So you go there and buy a book and start learning, so that by next Saturday, you would have gone far in Igbo language. And the good thing is that these books are so cheap, between $1 and $3, you buy them, so cheap. So with this $3 or $1 or $2, you have both text and audio book together in one. It is done for the benefit of our people, not because of making money. So you have to buy them up. There are about 10 books there. You can buy all of them. About $25 will buy all of them. So you have a whole lot of book in your hand to go through and educate yourself and get ready for the next class. So let's move on. We are dealing with the word okoloto. And okoloto, the meaning is what we're going to talk about now. What is the meaning of okoloto? Yeah? What is the meaning of okoloto? the meaning of the word okoloto. Okay. Okoloto. Nigeria Young say his family come from Awaka Oweri. That's great. Okoloto. We're dealing with the meaning of the word okoloto. No. Okay, somebody has written something, drop your own. What is the meaning of the word okoloto? What is the meaning? Okoloto. Waiting for you. Tick tock. Tick tock. Okoloto. What is the meaning of the word in English? Okoloto. Yes. What is the meaning of the word okoloto? Write the meaning, drop it, drop it, drop it. Almost all of you got the spelling right. Yeah, so we move straight to the meaning. Okay, chai, I have to go. Oh, Igbo have to go. What happened? Any problem? You're leaving so early today? I hope no problem. I hope everything is okay. Igbo. Okay, what is the meaning of the word okoloto? Yeah, what is the meaning of the word okoloto? Waiting for your response. Only one person has answered the question. What is the meaning of the word okoloto? Yeah, drop the meaning. Somebody say card. Okay, that's a fair try. I'm waiting for other people to try. Don't just wait till others answer. Say what comes to your mind. Whatever you think will be the meaning, just write it. Nobody will castigate you. We're here to teach you. At the end of the day, we're going to give you the right answer if you did not get it. So just make a fair trial. Think of whatever comes to your mind as going to be the likely answer. Write it okoloto. So as you write, eventually we're going to give you the right answer if you did not get it. If you get it, we'll say you got it. Okay? So some people have written flag, card, the rest of them. What are you writing? You too. Write your own response. Don't wait for others. Clement, am I Mia? Clement said, I don't know it. Of course, I know some of you will not know it. I purposely picked some of these words today. Sometimes Clement was complaining that last week that the lesson is getting too elementary and this and that and that. But I'm sure now you are not going to say that again. Because from last week, towards end of last week and today, I'm challenging you to what you don't know and they think you know already. Okay? So Clement say, am I? Clement, you have surrendered now. You have agreed that this lesson is not elementary too much. So, okoloto. Some say amine, some say it's flag, some say it's a card. Okay, any answer still coming? And those of you who are just joining us, hit the like button, check where it is under or above your screen, hit it, the like button, hit the share button to let this video go out to others, right? Okay, now we are looking at the answers. Some wrote flag, some wrote card, some say I don't know. Okoloto means flag. So Chikezie got it right. EKNC got it right. That is flag. That is okoloto in Igbo language. Flag. The flag, Nigeria flag, green, white, and green, or any other country's flag. Flag is okoloto in Igbo language. Thank you for trying. And then take note of that in your vocabulary. Write it down if you are writing, very important. I also take notes, so you also take notes. It's important when you are coming to class. Come with book and biro so that you can write those things that comes to you during the lesson that you don't know or the new things you are learning, you take note of them. This is free lesson. So take advantage of it. You're not paying any money to get these lessons. So why not take advantage? Why not write? Okay. Now let's do a simple sentence with okoloto, and that is flag. The flag is flying high. The flag is flying high. Write that in Igbo language. The flag is flying high. Yeah, write that in Igbo language. The flag is flying high. Write that in Igbo language. Yeah, waiting for you. The flag is flying high. Write that in Igbo language. Yo, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Who dropped that first? Who answers that first? Okay, Clement is taking first now. Okolota, the felu, the fair trier. Very good trier. Clement Emehe, good trier. Yeah. Who else is dropping that? Yeah. The flag is flying high. Write that in Igbo language. Igbo drill. That's what we are doing. Igbo language drill. Challenging you to learn to measure your level of progress in Igbo language, to learn new words, new sentences, new phrases, new alphabets, everything we do here. Okay, Stella, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe elu. Okay, efe try ya. Let me wait for others. Efe try ya. Ya. Chikezie, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efeli elu. Good effort. Niger Young, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe elu. Great, great, great. I like this effort. You people are all coming up. No one is shying away. Stella, Niger Young, EKNC. I like these new students that are pushing and they're making effort. I like that spirit. You are not just waiting, you are challenging yourself. That's good. Push yourself to the limit. That's great. Okay, let's review the answers. Let's review the answers. The Clement wrote, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe elu. Okay, I would have accepted this if you put ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe. You didn't put E in front of F. It had to be nefe. And then a hyphen to connect it together is a compound word, action word, present continuous, nefe, N-A-E-F-E, nefe. Then you don't put just nefelu, no, nefenelu, nelu, up high, up above, nelu, not nefelu, no, nefenelu. Okay, Stella wrote, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe elu, almost the same thing. Okay, you didn't put E in front of F for efe, then nefe is present continuous. N-A, you have to put hyphen to connect it as a compound word. Nefe, N-A hyphen E-F-E, nefe, then nelu, N, comma on top, elu, that is nelu. Okay, let's see who gets it. Chikezie, ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efeli elu. Okay, but not actually. Nefenelu is flying high. Okay, nefelielu. Okay, it's not actually what I mean by flying as a bird up there. Nefelielu, but nefenelu is on top, is up there and flying up there. So it's nefenelu, not nefelielu. Okay, it's not flying up like a bird from ground to up. No, that is what I'm talking to Chikes here now. But a good effort. Niger Young. ọkọlọtọ ahụ na-efe elu. I've already corrected this. Niger Young, so the U is O. Okay, yeah, the U is U with dot under. The mark you put on top of the U is not supposed to be there, but dot under is correct. That is ahụ. Okay, that is correct for ahụ. This is called O in Igbo language, not U. The U without dot under sounds U in Igbo, but the U with dot under sounds O. So when it comes to ahụ, is U with dot under. But when it comes to elu, elu is U without dot under. The sound is different. And that's the more reason you need to get the Igbo alphabet lesson and the book and go through it perfectly well. Talking to my friend, Niger Young. I've told you how you're going to get the ebook. It has both text and audio, so you listen to the alphabets and their pronunciations and how to write it. You will master it. Talking to Niger Young. So don't forget to buy the books after this lesson. Very important to you and all the new students. You need that lesson. You need the book. You download the audio. You listen to it over and over again. You look at the text. I pronounce it for you. I teach you how to write the alphabets. You get it perfectly well. Get that after this class. Talking to Niger Young. I hope you do that, Niger Young. You do that after class. Not only you, talking to all our new students. EE. Okay, can you write the correct version after everyone tries? Oh, I always pick the correct one from whatever we have written, and I make my corrections. Talking to EE now. The problem is that my version of this particular chart does not allow me to write myself. That's what I observe. I try doing that, but it does not work out. So it does not allow me to write myself, but I can see what others are writing and respond. So I'm talking to EE. Sorry about that. But I will always look at what we write and pick the correct one and correct it where it is wrong anywhere. So if you listen to me and you have made effort, you can always pick the one I pick as the correct one and write it in your book as the correct one from the whatever we have written. Okay, look at it now. Chikeze has written the right version. I'm talking to EE now. Under your chart, EE, you will see somebody written Chikezie or Kolota Nefenelu. That is the correct sentence. I'm talking to EE now. That is the correct sentence. So you just pick it. When I pick the correct one, you now take your correction from there. So Chikezie has written the correct sentence. Or Kolota Nefenelu. That is coming right behind you, EE, right behind your chart. Can you see it? I'm talking to EE now. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. You got it. You got what I'm saying very correctly. That's fine. Okay, EE, please remember, it's important, like I said earlier, that you subscribe to this channel. Number one, you get ready to buy our ebook after this lesson. We're going to put the link to our shop in the comment of this lesson when it's uploaded automatically after this lesson. I also have the link will also be in the description box of this video because it will be uploaded automatically after this lesson. Get the books, about 10 of them there, covers virtually all the basic subjects and areas you need to understand in Igbo language as a learner, as a beginner. Alphabet, numbers, two-letter words, verbs, everything is covered in the ebook, prepositions, and the rest of them. Get those books, and you'll be glad you did. For just a token, $1 to $3, you buy each of them, and it comes with ebook and audio book. And when you download the audio, they are for keep for life. You don't need to go to connect to internet to listen to them. You listen to them offline, anytime. Play them in your car, anywhere you are, and you'll be glad you did. Okay, I have to go back to work, but I'm looking forward to participate to this class. Yes, you all have a blessed day. Okay, EKNC, don't forget to buy the books so that at your own private time, you can always listen to this. Okay, don't forget to do that. You can listen to the lessons after that. Okay, we move on from there. So now we have done Okoloto. The next word we're doing is Piye. Okay, the next word we're doing is Piye. Okay, can you do that? Okay, the next word is Piye. Write the word in Igbo language. Piye. Write the word in Igbo language. Just write the word first. Piye. Okay. The books, you get the books, talking to Daniel now. You get the book after this lesson. This video will be uploaded automatically after this lesson. I'm going to pin a comment to this video where I'm going to put the link to our shop. The link will also be in the description box of this video. So you can always check that to enter our shop and buy any book you want to buy. Daniel, I'm talking to you now. Thank you for doing that. Okay, we're talking about Pinye. Some have written, Clement has written, Chikezie has written, Nigerian has written, Stella has written, Pinye. Okay, those spellings are correct. Pinye, they are perfect. So let's deal with the meaning of the word Pinye. What is the meaning of the word Pinye? Yeah. What will you give us the meaning of the word Pinye? Yeah. Give us the meaning. Pinye. What is the meaning of the word? Pinye. Yeah. Waiting for you. What is the meaning of the word Pinye? Okay. Pinye. Okay. Pinye. P. Starts with what? P. Okay. What is the meaning of the word? In English. What is the English meaning of the word Pinye? Push, punch in. That's what Chikezie wrote. Clement wrote press into. Okay, that's great. Okay, waiting for more responses. Stella wrote dig here. No, I said what you should press it in. Okay, Clement wrote press into. Nigerian, you wrote push in. Okay, so that is those are the fine. Those are responses are right. They are all right. Okay, but let's look at the who gets it perfectly well. This guy Chikezie wrote punch in. Okay, Clement wrote press into. Okay, Nigerian wrote push in. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's fine. Those words are perfect. Okay, that's fine. But let's look at who gets it perfectly well. The one that gets it perfectly well is Clement Emehe, because Pinye is used for liquid. Okay, it's used for liquid. especially liquid that you can press into the eye or into other containers or whatever, is used for liquid, pressing liquid into something. Okay, if I say put eye drop or any other thing into my eye, that's the word I use. Pinye ogu nanyam, or pinye in any other place. So it's used for liquid substance. That's why press into is perfectly okay, used by Clement. So others will pick their corrections from that. Okay? And then let's have a short sentence. I've even made a sentence. Press the medicine into my eye. I've just said it. Press the medicine into my eye. Okay? What is that in Igbo language? Write the sentence. Press the medicine into my eye. Okay? Write that now. Press the medicine into my hand. Okay, he wrote pinch it. Okay? Stella wrote, I have to go. Okay? Many people are going early today. I don't know why. You are busy somehow. Stella, don't forget to buy our books as you are going, okay, to learn further at your own private time. Stella, I hope you do that. Please give us that assurance you're going to do that. Okay? Pinye yananyam, okay? Pour into. Okay? Pinyo gunanyam. That's what, okay. I just said in English. Press the medicine into my eye, deep into. Okay, pour into. They are still writing in opinion. Okay, Stella, thank you for your assurance and promise to buy the book. Okay, pinyogo, pinyem ogo aho, nimanya. Okay, press the medicine into my eye. Press the medicine into my eye. Somebody has written pinyem ogo aho, nanya, nimanya. Okay, Clement wrote pinyogo aho. Imanyam. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Okay. Who else is trying? Who else is trying? Pinyo guaho. Imanyam. Who else is trying? Just make effort. Just make effort. Okay. Make effort. Some of us have not hit the like button. It could be above your screen, your window, video window, or under it. Just check, hit the like button, hit the share button, so that this video can go out to others. That is important to us. Pinyemo guaho imanyam. Great effort from Niger Young. Great effort. Great efforts. Yeah. Who else is trying? Who else is trying? Three great efforts I can see here. Pinyem ogwa nimanya. Okay, press the medicine into my eye. Okay, I love your efforts. Any other person still trying? Any other person before we give the right answer finally? Yes, any other person still making effort? Pinyogwa imanyam. Okay, press the medicine into my eye. It appears no other response is coming. Can we now give the final result? Let's see the three responses we got. Pinyem ogwu ahụ n'ime anya. Okay, that's Chikezie. Clement wrote pinye ogwu ahụ ime anya m. Okay, Clement, you're almost there, but if you had written pinye ogwu ahụ n'ime, you forgot to put n'ime, not ime only, but n'ime. Okay, n'ime is used for preposition, explaining the position, the relationship, n'ime, into. Okay, so it has to be pinyogwu ahụ n'ime anya m. That's the only thing you miss, Clement. You didn't put n'ime. You have put n with comma on top before you write ime. That would be perfect. Clement, Kichikezie, your answer is perfect. It's okay. Pinyem ogwu ahụ n'ime anya m. It's also correct to say pinyogwu ahụ n'ime anya m. Okay, both are correct. Niger Young, pinyem ogwu ahụ ime anya m. Okay, the same correction I'm going to make for you, Niger Young. Pinyem ogwu ahụ n'ime. That's the only thing you miss. N'ime, n, comma on top before ime. That is the only thing you miss. Otherwise, your response is perfectly okay. Okay, that is fine. So we move on from here. We're moving to the next word. I hope nobody is still sending response. It could be because of network, sometimes it's delayed. Okay, I usually hear my parents use tunye instead pinye. Okay, whereas they use pinye whenever it has a number like card pin or Phone number. Okay. Okay. I get what you are saying. Chikezie, I get what you are saying. When it is tunye, okay, tunye is used when the medicine is like eye drop that is completely watery. Tunye is used. But when it's a little bit semi-solid, like some other eye medicine also has semi-solid, like penicillin and the rest, is pinye. But when you can also use pinye for that liquid one. But the time the liquid one, the tunye is used mostly is when it is dropping. This drop one that is just completely watery. So tunye is okay for that, okay? But pinye too is okay for that, okay? So tunye most times is used when it is dropping like water, I drop like water. That they can use tunye for that because when you are dropping the eye drop, it will drop like water. Bam, tunye, is just dropping like droplets of water. So that is a little bit different. The pinye is better when it is semi-liquid, like gel or like penicillin type of eye drop. So both are correct, but that is not the difference. Talking to Chikezie now. Thank you for that observation. Niger Young, ana m ada ka ewu na-asụ Igbo. No, Niger Young, you are not failing at all. You are not failing. You are beginning. You are beginning. Don't just discourage yourself. You are doing well for joining the class in the first place. That means you want to learn and you are interested in improving. By being here, some of the people that are here now, they also started like you. In fact, you are doing better than some of them when they began. But today they are doing very fine. So you have to, that's why it's important to buy those books I talked about. That will help you at your own private time, even offline, to continue listening, learning, and writing. Those books are important because you have the text to always go through, you have the audio you listen to every time. So Nigeria, I hope you buy those books after the lesson, right? If you will do that, indicate you do that. Okay? So we have done pinye, okay? And then the next word we're dealing with is rie ihe. Rie ihe. What is the word? Write it in the comment section. Rie ihe. Rie ihe. Okay. Okay. You're trying. Yeah, you're trying. I love your try. Okay. Nigeria. But I just reminded you of the Nigeria. I hope you buy them after the lesson. Okay. We are in the next word, talking of rie. Somebody has written what I'm waiting for others. Rie. Drop it in the chat section. Ihe. Okay. Rie. Drop it. Waiting for you. Clement. Rie. Great. Yes. Waiting for others. Nigeria. Drop your own. Drop your own. Rie. Okay, Vera, math class. Okay, Vera, you are welcome to class. No. Vera, is this your first time of joining our class? Indicate by saying A or yes. Also, I think this is the first time you're joining our class, like Nigeria Young and the rest of them. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, I'm getting responses. I'm waiting for others to drop their own responses. That's great. Yeah. Okay. Nigeria Young. Great. Great. That's fine. I love that. Okay, Vera. Yes. Okay, Vera. This is the first time. Vera. No. Thanks for joining our live class. You do well to those of you who are joining for the first time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's important. Join our live classes. Then buy our ebooks, which are special ebooks that has both text and audio for learning, fast learning of Igbo language. You download them, download the audio for keeps. You can listen offline. They are so cheap, between $1 to $3. You buy our ebooks, text, audio book, and ebook together in one for the price of one, just $1 or $2, $3. Buy them today. Don't equip yourself with the basic knowledge, and then join us today again next Saturday. Let's do this together. So that's good. Chop food now, okay? Nigeria Young is chopping food now. The CKO, I hope you are going to share with us. Nigeria, there is no food here. We are hungry here. So remember also, Nigeria Young. Okay, Rieihe, that's the word we are dealing with. What is the meaning of Rieihe? Let's deal with that now. What is the meaning of the word Rieihe? Yes, Rieihe. What is the meaning of the word? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Okwu a bụ rie ihe. Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Okay, eat something. Clement, eat something. Eat some food. Daniel. Okay, Daniel, you're always funny and naughty. I hope you get serious to learn. Okay, I hope you get serious. I know you want to learn Igbo, but something is distracting you. If not, you won't be joining this live class every Saturday. But you're always here to distract. But I know you're going to learn by and by. Okay, don't be a distraction, Daniel. Be a good boy. Just learn. And if you know, just share and let's learn together. I know you are not naughty. Okay, Daniel, you're a good guy. Okay, eat something. He has written eat something. Okay, that's fine. Anybody still responding? Eat something. Okay, eat something. Eat something. Okay, eat something. That's fine. Daniel, thank you for taking my advice. I appreciate. God bless you. Okay, let's move on. Rieihe. Okay, Vera, eat something. That's great. Eat something. That's great. Okay, anybody still dropping something here? Eat something. Okay, let's contribute. Daniel, you can also contribute. That's why we're here. We're your brothers. We're not, we don't hate you. You are a brother. I know if you are not Igbo person or if you are not linked to Igbo, you won't be coming here every Saturday. Just let's do this together. Okay? So, eat something. I think your answers are correct. Eat something. Okay? Is actually eat something. It's not chop food now. Okay? It's not chop food now. It's eat something because I didn't mention anything. Okay? Ihe is just anything, something. So EE said eat some food. Okay? If I had said rieri, then you know I'm talking about food. But when I say ihe, it's just something. You don't know what I'm talking about. Okay? So we get to that. So those who wrote eat something are perfectly correct. Eat something, they're perfectly correct. Okay. Okay, but let's now make a sentence with this. Okay? Eat something before going out. Eat something before going out. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language. Eat something before going out. Eat something before going out. Okay? Write it now in Igbo language. Eat something before going out. Praise white Jesus. Okay? I don't know what crowd the broadcast is saying. Eat something before going out. That's the sentence now. Okay? Thank God you are back. For some time I didn't hear you again. I didn't see your comments again. It's like you went off to do something else and you're back to class. No. Okay. Eat something. That's fine. We're past that. We're dealing with sentence now. The sentence is eat something before going out. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language. Eat something before going out. Write it. Rie ihe tupu ị pụọ. Chikezie has written the response. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Eat something before going out. Clement wrote, rie ihe tupu aga pụọ. Great effort. Yes, I'm waiting for other people. Eat something before going out. Eat something before going out. Eat something before going out. Crawl. We say you should write that in Igbo language. We're doing Igbo language drill. So we give something in Igbo, ask you to write in English, you write in English, ask you to write in Igbo. So I was taught slang instead of proper way to speak, but I'm going to learn and teach my kids. Yeah, you start, in fact, you are, Nigeria Young, you are in the right place. Because when you buy these books I'm talking about, your kids can always look at those books, look at the pictures, listen to the audios, and learn with you. So you must have to buy those books today. In fact, you need all of them. For $25, you buy all the books, 10 books in total. We have Igbo numbers 1 to 1,000 in that book. That is as cheap as anything. So get those books. Both you and your children can learn from that book in a great way, and you are going to speed up your learning very well. Talking to Nigeria Young. Okay, he say before inaga. Okay, this is what we call Igbo. Igbo. You join English and Igbo together, and that is a great way of learning. And at least you'll be corrected after. That is rieihe before inaga. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what is before when we now do the correction. Rieihe tupu puo. Okay, I think you can hear from other people. EE before is tupu, TUPU. That is before. Okay, that is before tupu. Talking to EE now that combine English and Igbo. That's a way of learning. We call it English Igbo. It's allowed. From English Igbo, you learn pure Igbo. Okay, Vera, I don't know how to put dot under the words on my phone. Yeah, I've talked about that before. Vera, you have to install Igbo keyboard in your phone. Go to setting, then go to language, go to keyboard, look for Kwati Igbo. Select it and install into your phone. Your keyboard will now be toggled between English and Igbo. When you want to type the Igbo alphabet, you press that key down. It will display the options of O with dot under or U with dot under. You pick the one you want from the options and use it. Talking to Vera now. That's how to do Igbo keyboard. You can do it, install it in your computer, your phone, anyone. That's how I did my own. That's how other people did their own. You don't need to go and buy Igbo keyboard. Just set it in your phone, right? Okay, that's a good effort. I'm going to buy. Okay, Naija Young, thank you for that promise. Okay, thank you very much, Naija Young. Okay, so good effort. Some people have tried. So let's look at the answers and see who gets them very well. Okay, Chikezie, the class captain, got the answer perfectly well. Got the answer perfectly well. Eat before you go out. That's perfect. So every other person should copy their final answer from Chikezie's own. Scroll up a little bit. You will see Chikezie. He wrote Rieihe tupu ipuo. That's the perfect answer. Clement wrote Rieihe. Sorry. Clement wrote Rieihe tupu agapuo. No. Okay. Itupu ipuo. That's what you should write. Okay. Now, who else answered? Okay, I've replied EE before, where you put before instead of tupu. Okay, so you can write Rieihe tupu iga. I'm talking to EE if that's what you prefer. Rieihe tupu ipuo. Vera, you got it perfectly well. Right. Okay. Naija Young, Rieihe tupu puo is tupu ipuo. You have to put ipuo, which is you, before you go out. That E stands for you. Okay. So that's fine. Neka, Rieihe tupu ipuo. Perfect. Those are the right answers. Those answers are correct. The next word is rafue. We're going to the next word. Rafue. 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 Drop the word now. Rafue. Okay? Drop the word. Rafue. Waiting for you. Drop the word rafue. If you have not hit the like button for this video, for this live session, you are not doing well. You are not showing your teacher love at all. If you don't hit the share button, you are not doing your teacher any good. You are not showing your teacher love, and that is not fair enough. Okay? Hit the like button, hit the share button. That is important to us. The word is rafue. Some people have done that. Okay? Oh, Fred Ajombo, you are here today. Long time I did not see my Fred Ajombo. Oh, okay, Freda, you promised to be in class today. Eventually, you have made it. Thank you for being in class today, Freda Jumbo. Okay, I want to use this opportunity while we are writing Rafue to thank all our students, all our people coming online, all my subscribers who are patronizing us by buying our books. You know, Freda did that perfectly well. She bought all the books. Not only her, some other people bought all the books in our bookshop. All, I mean all. And God will bless all of you. You are the reason why we are pushing and moving forward. You are our supporters, and I'm sure you have learned a lot from that book. Freda, can you share your testimony as to what you got from the books you bought? Are they worth buying? Are you learning from that books? Are they useful enough for you, or you think they are a waste of money? I am talking to Freda. Share your testimony concerning the books you bought, because we're not just advertising our books for you to buy and give us money. We want you to learn faster. Want to have something you can fall back on. Want you to listen to us when you are offline, and learn when you are at your leisure time. That's why we are talking about our books, not because we want you to give us money. So if you have our books and at your Igbo language learning journey, can you just say something about the books for those who are here to buy, so that they don't just want to take their money? We're not interested in your money. We want to help you to learn faster. So please, this time to thank all those of you who have bought our books, who are patronizing us. That's why we're not having network. Because of your support, we've got that we're using now to connect our lessons, and that's why you're not having network pitches again, because of your support. So those of you who are buying our books, you are the reason why we are always coming around. You are helping us to cover our bills and then get more ready for class and serve you better. So those of you who have bought, share your testimony concerning the books. Let others hear from you. Let them not think we are only looking for their money. No, we're not looking for your money. By the grace of God, we're not beggars. Okay? Or are these classes the same time each week? Yes, the classes are the same time each week. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time or West African time, 1300 GMT, the same time every Saturday. So I'm talking to EE. Please, EE, also, each class lasts for 1 hour, 30 minutes maximum. 1 hour, 30 minutes maximum. So but that depends on when we come to class. If you come on time, we finish on time. So let's move on. We're talking about Rafue now. Rafue, many of you have written the word and you are all correct. That is Rafue. Except Nigeria Young that wrote Rafue. No, W is not there. It's just R-A-F-U-E, Rafue. Now let's deal with the meaning of the word. Okay? What is the meaning of the word Rafue? Yes, drop it. Drop the meaning. What does the word Rafue mean? Okay? Rafue, what does it mean? Drop the meaning. Yes, sir, I am so glad I purchased the books. Very convenient, and I can access it without internet too. That is the testimony. Freda has written what she has got from those books. Can use the audio while I'm exercising or even eating. It's very unique and it's so convenient and makes learning Igbo very easy and educative. I'm very happy with my purchase. That is it. For those of you that we are talking to about the books, you think we are just begging you to give us money. This is a testimony from somebody who bought the books, but she bought all of them. So, okay, there is something behind you. What are you talking about? I'm talking about Mr. Freeze. I don't know what they're talking about. Okay? It's a lizard. So that is the point. You have heard it from some, okay? You have heard it from him, and then you can relate to that now. In case you have not bought the books, you should know that the books are so helpful, so useful. It's left for you to decide whether you want to learn faster or not. If you want to learn fast and cover lost ground, you have to buy the books. Look at the testimonies right here. You can listen to Freda Jumbo and can read her comments on that. Okay. So let's move on now. Let's move on. Okay. Now let's move on. Brian Iruka, you are welcome to class. Brian Iruka. Okay. I don't think you should start asking us questions, Iruka. You should listen to us first so that you can learn from us. And then if you want to learn all the name of animals in Igbo language, go to our homepage, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to our homepage. There's a video dedicated to that. They call it Names of All Animals in Igbo language. Go to our homepage and watch that video. You will not need to ask me the meaning of fly in Igbo language. They are there, not just fly, but different types of flies. We gave their names there. So go to our homepage and subscribe to our channel, go to our homepage, watch that after this live session, and you'll be glad you did. Let's move on. The meaning of the word Rafue. What is the meaning of the word Rafue? What is the meaning of the word Rafue? Yes. What is the meaning of the word Rafue? Drop the meaning. Okay, waiting for you. What is the meaning of the word Rafue in English? Rafue. What is the meaning? Waiting for you now. Deceive. That's somebody's response. Okay, that's noted. Who else is responding? The meaning of the word Rafue. Yes. Who else is responding? The meaning of the word Rafue. Write the meaning in English language. Who is responding to that now? I've just got one response, Rafue. What about others? What are they doing? What are they doing? Deception. Okay, Nigeria Young. Deception. Good effort. Waiting for others. Drop your own response. Drop it now. Drop it now. The meaning of the word, rough way. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to share this live session for others to, be notified and join the class. Okay. Deception, deceive, waiting for others to respond. The meaning of the word, rough way. Okay, I'm not familiar with this word. Yeah, that's why you are in class. There are so many words you will learn here that you have not heard before. And you just pay attention and get the meaning so that next time you'll be familiar with it. To deceive. Okay, good effort. That's another response. To deceive. Okay. Okay. Yeah, anybody still coming in? Vera, good effort. Vera, good effort. Yeah. Vera, I hope you're going to buy the books. You have had the testimonies. I hope you're going to buy the books. Nigeria Young has already confirmed you're going to buy the books. How about Vera? How about How about my sister, Stella, and the rest of you? Okay, Stella says she's going to buy the book. Okay, what about the rest? Okay, Brian Ruka, you need the book too as a beginner. Okay, to deceive. Okay, I take your responses. Okay, the rough way is actually a verb. It's not a noun. It's a verb. Okay, rough way, and it's like an instruction. Okay, so deceive is the perfect answer for that. Deceive. That is the perfect answer for that. Rough way. Deceive. Okay. If it is somebody say to deceive is irrafu. You have to add I in front of rafu. And it won't be rafu, it will be irrafu. The spelling will change entirely if it is to deceive. But deceive is rafu, okay? So that is rafu, simple. Deceive, rafu, or lead astray. That's also correct. Lead astray. Okay? Deceive or lead astray. Rafu. Okay, let's do a sentence with that. Okay. Equela, don't let him deceive you. Okay, that's good. Thank you, EE. So you're going to check out the books after the class. Thank you. I'm sure you'll be convinced when you check the bookshop. About 10 books are there. You are going to surely find the ones that you will like. Okay. He tried to deceive me. He tried to deceive me. That is the sentence. He tried to deceive me. Write that in Igbo language. He tried to deceive me. Okay. Is that what I said before? Did I say don't let him deceive you? Is that the first thing I said? I hope I did not say something different from what I said earlier. Okay, it's like I said, don't let him deceive you. Is like that what I said first? Is that what I said, Chikezie? Before I began to respond to somebody else, it's like I lost what I said earlier. Did I say, don't let him deceive you? Chikezie, is that what I said? Because I want to relate with your response. Did I say, don't let him deceive you? Is that what I said first? Please remind me, Chikezie. Okay, I maintain that. Don't let him deceive you. That is the sentence. Don't let him deceive you. Write that in Igbo language. Don't let him deceive you. Do not let him deceive you. Write that in Igbo language. Yes. Don't let him deceive you. Ekwela ka ọ rafuo gị. Vera, that's good effort. Chikezie, good effort. Yes. What are other people doing? Nigeria Young. Don't let him deceive you. EE. Drop your response. Don't let him deceive you. Okay? Don't let him deceive you. Drop that in Igbo language. Don't let him deceive you. Drop that in Igbo language. Don't let him deceive you. Waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. Don't let him deceive you. Only 2 people have dropped their response. Could it be that the rest don't know how to write it? Don't let him deceive you. If you don't know, just say, I don't know, so that we can move on. If you don't know, say, I don't know. Ekwela kaya rafuegi. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Yeah, I love that. Good effort. Don't let him deceive you. Write that in Igbo language. Don't let him deceive you. Now, to begin the correction, Nigeria Young, Ekwela Kaora Fuegi. Great. Great response. Great response. Yeah, great. Well, Stella, okay, Stella has gone. Okay, so let's look at the answers. Chikeze wrote, Ekwela Kaora Fuegi. Perfect. Perfect. Vera wrote, Ekwela Kaora Fuegi. Perfect. I know Vera doesn't have a keyboard in Igbo. She would have written it perfectly well with the spelling, but she got it right. Okay, he wrote, Ekwela Kaya Rafuegi. No, it is Ka-o, him or her. Him or her in Igbo is represented with the alphabet O. O. We don't differentiate, we don't say ya, Kaya. Ya is used, ya is used in other sense, okay? Ekwela Ka, don't let him or her. We use O for that. Kora Fuegi. But there's also a place you can use ya, like if you say nye ya, hapo ya, okay? Give him, give her. We also use ya for that. Hapo ya, nye ya, okay? Were ya, take it. So ya is used. Okay, if you look at our Igbo preposition, okay, Igbo pronoun. We have Igbo pronoun masterclass. Check our homepage for the video, Igbo Pronoun Masterclass. Watch that video. You will know when to use ya, or, ha, and the rest of them. Go to our homepage after this lesson. Watch the Igbo Pronoun Masterclass. You will know how to use all the pronouns at the appropriate time. Please do that. I'm talking to EE and the rest of you. That video will help you so much. Okay, Nigeria, Ekwela Kora Fuegi, perfect. Ha chọrọ ịlụ ọgụ. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that's correct. Ekwela ka ọ rafuo gị is perfect. It's correct in this sense, in this sentence. Okay, don't let him or her deceive you. So or is used for both him or her. Okay, there is no gender in that pronoun. Or it goes for both. Okay, next word is re ahia. Re ahia. Re ahia. Drop the word. Re ahia. What is the word? Re ahia. Yes. Re ahia. Drop the word. Ngwan, anam echegi. I'm waiting for you. Anam echegi. I am waiting for you. Re ahia. Chikezi had done that. Waiting for others. Yes, drop your response. Re ahia. Okay. Re ahia. Ngwan, anam echegi. Vera, re ahia. Okay. Vera, I know you have not got the Igbo keyboard. You're going to get it after this lesson. You're going to install it, right? So that next Saturday, your alphabet will be perfect. Re ahia Clement, fine. Re ahia, great. Who else is dropping a response? Re ahia. Okay. Re ahia EE. Okay. Re ahia, love that. Naija Young, Re ahia, great. Freda Jumbo, Re ahia, great. I love these responses. Okay, they came in fast. Okay, Naija Young, A, okay, is correcting the alphabet there. Re ahia, that's good. I get you. Okay, I get you. Okay, what is the meaning of Re ahia? What is the meaning? Re ahia, tell us the meaning. Tell us the meaning. Re ahia. What is the meaning? Yeah, waiting for you. Re ahia. What is the meaning of the word in English? Re ahia. Yeah. Make sales. Okay, that's what Chikeze wrote. Waiting for the rest. Make sales. Waiting for you. Drop your own. Drop your response. Don't waste time. Drop your response now. Sell market. Clement noted. Waiting for others. Sell things. Okay, great. What is it? What are others waiting for? What are others waiting for? Freda, where are you? Okay, Sinhold TV, sell market. Great, I love that. Sinhold TV, this is the first time you're joining our class, our live class. Am I right? Is this Shinowood? Okay, Shinowood TV. This is the first time you're joining our live class. Am I right? Shinowood. Vera wrote, sell your market. Good. Nigeria Young, sell at market. Okay, great. Your answers are great. Yeah, okay. Sinowood TV. Say yes. Okay. You are welcome to class. Sinowood. Which part of the world are you joining us from? Nigeria, African country, US, Europe, Asia. Where are you from? Talking to Sinwood. Chinedu in Hong Kong. Okay, Chinedu in Hong Kong. Wow. Chinedu, you're welcome from Hong Kong. Kewe. I hope it's going on fine there. You're welcome to class. Okay, we are happy to see you. No. Wakaigani, sell market. Jumbo say, sell market. Rea here. Chinedu, I'm in that side. You know, I know you are doing something there in a here. Where? Okay, we do the one. Okay, I got here. Okay, SS say Ebuka from Turkey. Oh, Ebuka, no, Nande Turkey. Kemaka suit Turkey. I hope you are bringing our Turkey suit to us. Okay, Ebuka, no. We move on. The word is rare here. And those of you who say sell market, you are perfectly correct. Sell market, sell goods is also correct. Sell your goods, okay? Sell market, sell things. Like he said, sell things. That is also correct. Sell market, sell things, make sales, all are correct, okay? All are correct, okay? VAR from USA, you're welcome to class. VAR A from USA, no, okay? For those of you who are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. We appreciate your coming. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the first thing you do for us. And then remember, we have books that will help you learn Igbo language very fast. We have ebooks, okay, that has text and audio to start with, where you can learn the alphabets, numbers, verb, two-letter words, and make your learning very fast. Those ebooks come with text and audio. You can download the audio and listen to them offline without consuming your data at your leisure time, okay? So buy them after this class. They are very important for your journey in learning Igbo language. For your children over there in abroad who have no access to Igbo book, this is a fine book for them to listen and learn what they see, the pictures, the text, and the audio. They listen. When you are not there, they can always listen to the books. So it's a perfect book for you guys outside Nigeria. Okay, don't forget to buy them today after this class. So Rea here is sell market. Okay, now let's make a sentence with that. Go sell your market quick. Go sell market quick, or go sell your market quick. That's the sentence. Go sell your market quick. Write that in Igbo language. Go sell your market quick, or go sell market quick. Oh yeah. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo ọsịsọ. Ya na-ebe a Igbo challenge, Igbo language challenge. Go sell your market quick. We're doing Igbo language challenge. So write that in Igbo language. Igbo drill. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. Okay? Go sell your market quick. Okay, Chikeze wrote, Gare ahịa gị ngwa ngwa. Okay, that is noted. Let me hear other people. What do you say? Go sell your market quick. Vera wrote, Gare ahịa ọsịsọ. I noted. Shinowood wrote, ahịa. Shinowood wrote, Jere ahịa gị ọsịsọ. Great. Wrote, Gare ahịa ozugbo ozugbo. I love that version. Okay. Va said, Ga reahia osiso. Great. Dr. Blahi said, G, Ga reahia ubua. Dr. Blahi, you wrote G. I hope it's a typographical error. Is Ga or J? Okay, you wanted to write J ere ahịa. Okay, it's a typographical error. The P there is not your intention. Clement wrote, gaa ree ahịa gị ọsịsọ. Naija Young wrote, gaa ere ahịa ọsịsọ. Good effort. Vera wrote, gaa ree ahịa gị ọsịsọ. Great. Let's review them because these answers came in quickly, so we have to be fast also. Let's look at the first one. Chikezie wrote, gaa ree ahịa gị ngwa ngwa. Let me do this. Because many people use ngwa ngwa, ọsịsọ, ugbua. Let me see other versions wrote. Ọsịsọ, ngwa ngwa, ozugbo ozugbo. I love these versions. Ọsịsọ, ngwa ngwa, ozugbo ozugbo. These three are all correct in Igbo language. None of them are wrong. Okay, somebody also wrote ugbua. Okay, but it's not ugbua. Ugbua is now, not quickly. It's now. I'm talking to Dr. Abdullahi. If you say ugbua, it is now. But we're talking about quickly. Okay, so it's either ọsịsọ, ngwa ngwa, ozugbo ozugbo. Okay, but it's not ozigbo, it's ozugbo. Okay, ngwa ngwa, ọsịsọ, ozugbo ozugbo. All are correct. So you can write, gaa ree ahịa gị ọsịsọ. Okay, ngwa ngwa is how I thought at first. So yes, ngwa ngwa is correct. Yeah, ngwa ngwa is correct. Okay, actually ngwa ngwa is most acceptable among all of them. Okay, ọsịsọ is actually the most common in Igbo language. Ọsịsọ, quick. Okay, gaa ree ahịa gị ngwa ngwa. So it's either you use ngwa ngwa, ọsịsọ, ozugbo ozugbo. Although ozugbo ozugbo is not popular in Igbo language, it's not commonly used, it's not actually a standard language, but we also allow that. But ọsịsọ and ngwa ngwa are the most perfectly used for quick. Okay, so we have done that. We're going to the next word because it's like I have more people coming in that are new. I have to move fast to at least cover some ground for them before we end the class because they came in late. The next one is raw aka. Raw aka. Raw aka. Raw aka. Write it in Igbo language. Okay. Raw aka. Write it in Igbo language. Raw aka. Yeah. Are you writing? Waiting for you. Raw aka. Okay, I know aka means hand. Yes, aka means hand. I'm even demonstrating it to you. I'm showing you what I say you should do. Roaka. I'm demonstrating it. Roaka. Okay, Roaka. Okay, I got answers already coming in. What are the rest people waiting for? Okay. Okay, Roaka. He has done that. Abdullahi Roaka. Great. Sino Wood, point to, I didn't say tell me the meaning. I said write it in Igbo language. Sino Wood, follow the instruction. Val, Roaka, okay, that's great. Okay, Fred Ajombo, Roaka, great. I love these responses. The class is getting more interesting. You are Naija Young, Roaka, great. I love all this. Yeah. So now, Clement Emehe, Roaka, great. The class is getting more lively. Okay, so you are almost all correct. Roaka, except for those who don't have Igbo keyboard, they are using the wrong alphabets, but I know what they mean. Okay, those who are supposed to have U with dot under and O with dot under, they don't have it because they don't have Igbo alphabet. Sino Wu TV is not run Aka, it's not run, it's not RUN, it's raw. Okay, you have corrected yourself now, but I know you don't have Igbo keyboard. If you don't have Igbo keyboard, please install it in your phone or computer before next class. Go to setting, go to language setting, and then it will take you to keyboard setting. Look for Kwati Igbo and install it in your phone or computer so that your keyboard will be toggled between Igbo and English. If you want to use Igbo alphabet, you press the key down. It will display options of U with dot under or O with dot under or dot on top. Pick the one you want. So you can be able to type correctly in Igbo language. That you should do for all of you coming on board. George Ezeajo. Okay, no, welcome to class. Okay, all those new people, I welcome all of you. Okay, now the meaning of Roaka. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Okay, what is the meaning of Roaka? What is the meaning? Now it is time to tell me the meaning. Those who are running ahead of time, now do the right thing now. What is the meaning of Roaka? What is the meaning of Roaka? What is the meaning? Rub hand. He is a rub hand. Okay, noted. What are other people saying? Do you agree with him that Roaka is raw hand? Is that what it is? Drop your meaning. point your hand. See no wood. Point your hand. Erige. You look like a very powerful wizard. You look like a very powerful wizard. Okay, I don't know what you mean by that. I'm an Igbo teacher. I don't know what you mean by wizard. Sorry, I'm not one. I am a teacher. Okay, talking to Elijah. I don't know what they're saying. I'm just an Igbo teacher. Okay, and this is a kind of Igbo cap we use, though with red colors, but I'm just Igbo teacher. Okay, point at or indicate something. Okay, that is, Fred has said, point hand. Okay, I love that. I love those answers coming in. Yeah, Nigerians say Chineke. Hey, say you the Bushman. I don't know what the guy is saying. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Talking about point, raise hand. Okay, Va said raise hand as his own understanding of that word. That's fine. Okay, okay. Let's look at the right answer. The right answer is point hand. Point hand or point at something. Okay, Chikezero, point at. Okay, that's correct. Point at something. Point your hand. Raw, aka is hand. Point at something. Point at or point your hand at something. Okay, not bend your hand like a Vera wrote. Bend your hand. No, bend is bago. Bago aka is bend your hand, not raw aka. Okay. We use hand, not finger. Yeah, but there are times for this word, it's roaka that is the right word. But when you want to indicate finger, finger is mpesiaka. Mpesiaka is finger, okay? But in this particular expression, roaka is point your hand. We don't say point, we cannot we don't say point your finger per se, but hand, we know what we mean, is point, okay? Point at something. Either you're pointing with your finger or with your whole hand, it doesn't really matter. Okay, talking to Nigerian now. But finger as alone is Mbisiaka. Okay, that is fingers. Okay, now we're making the sentence now. Okay, I'm thinking of having private lessons in the future. Do you offer that service? Of course, we do. Some of my students here are doing private lesson with me. One of the Igbo that just left is doing private lesson with me. We just finished our lesson yesterday evening. So I do private lessons. If you want that, please drop your mail to theigbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is the name of the channel. Already you know that. It's theigbotutor@gmail.com. That's our mail address. So drop a mail and make your request in our mail if you want private lessons. We offer private lessons very well. Yeah, I do that. So it's that mail to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Talking to EASS now. Okay, we move on. So we are talking about Roaka, okay, which is point hand. Okay. The word is Roaka no uzo. Roaka no uzo. Oh, I'm speaking Igbo. Okay, you can write it in English. Roaka no uzo. Roaka no uzo. Can you write that in English? Let's swap it now. Roaka no uzo. Roaka no uzo. What is that in English? Remember, I say if you write in English, I said it in Igbo. Write in English. Ro aka n'ụzọ. Okay, write that in English. Point at the house. I didn't say ụlọ. I say ụzọ. Ụzọ. Point hand at the door. Okay, verb. Nigerians say ro aka n'ụzọ. You are writing what I said in Igbo again. I say write it in English now. Ro aka n'ụzọ. I gave you in English. Write in Igbo. Ro aka n'ụzọ. Okay, point your hand at the door. That's very great. Chikezie, point at the road or door. Perfect. Uzo can mean road, it can mean door. That's what Chikezie has demonstrated. That means he has a perfect knowledge of Igbo at this level. He's actually the class leader. So Uzo can mean door, it can mean road. Okay, they are all both correct. I was asking if that was correct spelling. Which one? Nigerian. Which one are you talking about? I didn't get your question. Okay, Roa Kanozo. Okay. You're asking whether that is correct spelling. Oh yeah, you are right. Of course, the Uzo will have dot under U and dot under O. when you get your right keyboard, you should know that, not that the way you, but the way you wrote it is perfect, okay? Okay, point your hand to the door. That is Freda, Jumbo. Point your hand to the door. Chikezie, Roaka n'ụzọ. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Chikezie has given you the right way it should be written with the right alphabet. But young, you tried. You got the structure very well. Okay, that is young now. Okay, now Naija young. So we are going to give the final response to this. Roaka n'ụzọ or Roaka n'ụzọ. Point your hand at the door is correct. Point your hand on the road is correct. Like I was saying, uzo means both door and road. But let me explain this. If you want to use uzo as door, you got to add something to it. You don't just say uzo. You will say onuzo. Onuzo. If you want to use door is not just uzo, it's onuzo. But if you just say uzo, it becomes road, just like that. But if you want to indicate that it is door, you say onuzo. That is door. I hope that is clear enough. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. So we move on from there. The next word is se oku. Se oku. Se oku. Write the word. Se oku. Okay. Se oku. What is the word? This lesson is going to an end very soon in the next, do I still have up to 10 minutes? 10 minutes, okay. Because of those who join very late, I'm going to just end it in the next 10 minutes. Okay, se oku. Okay, I got that. Se oku. Chikezie has written that. Naija Young has written, but Naija Young, you didn't listen to me very oku. Maybe you don't know the alphabet. That's why you use KP. It's KW, oku. Okay? Seoku, Seoku, Vera, Seoku, perfect word. You are all getting it right. Seoku. Okay, who else is writing? Who else is trying? Seoku. Okay, okay, I like that. Okay, okay, okay. Except for Naija Young that use oku, not oku. That K is KW, not KP. If you use KP, it becomes oku. So, but this case is oku, KW. Okay, that's great. Jumbo, okay. Naija Young, okay, you've corrected yourself now. That's fine. Now, what is the meaning of the word seoku? We have 10 minutes to round of the class. What is the meaning of the word seoku? I'm going to move fast. What is the meaning of the word seoku? Meaning, seoku. Okay, what is that? What does it mean? Seoku. What does that mean? Quarrel, disagree. Okay, somebody has said quarrel. Pick up a quarrel, disagree. Okay, disagreement or argue. Okay, okay. This is actually a verb, so you have to be careful when you're writing the meaning. It's a verb. To quarrel. Okay, okay, okay. Who else is saying something? To quarrel. To quarrel. Vera. Say to quarrel. He said disagreement. Okay, verb. Start talking. Okay, Nigeria say to fight. Nah, you can fight. Oh, you don't carry and go to fight level. No. Nigeria young. Okay, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. All right. All right. All right. I don't know if anybody is still dropping, but your answers are great. Okay, but the right word is a verb like giving instruction, which is quarrel or disagree. Okay, now somebody say argue. That is also correct. Argue. Okay, but in this case, the perfect word is quarrel or disagree. Okay, to quarrel is also correct, but if you want to use to quarrel, it becomes ise oku. Ise oku, that is to quarrel. But seoku on its own is quarrel. Engage in quarrel, engage in fight. Like Naija Young said, to fight is also correct. Fight, seoku. But it's not to fight, but this time is fight. Seoku, start fighting. Okay? Lot of love. Naija Young. Freda, Jumbo, speak up. Really is not speak up. If it is speak up, it's welite olu. Welite olu. Speak up. Welite olu. Olu is sound of your voice. Welite olu. Speak up. Okay. Now we are going to the sentence. Okay. Ọ chọrọ ka anyị say, oh my God, I go to Igbo again. He wants us to quarrel. He wants us to quarrel. Give me that in Igbo. He wants us to quarrel. This class is coming to an end very soon. He wants us to quarrel. What is that in Igbo language? He wants us to quarrel. He wants us to quarrel. Write that in Igbo. Quickly, before we do the last one for today. Okay? Quickly, he wants us to quarrel. He, I say he wants us to quarrel. Ha chọrọ ise okwu, Naija Young. Good effort for a beginner. Good effort. Waiting for others. He wants us to quarrel. Write that in Igbo language. He wants us to quarrel. Waiting for you, Vera. Ọ chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. Even though you are okwu, you didn't look at it very well. The spelling of okwu is not correct. Look at it again, Vera. Correct, you are okwu. The spelling is not correct. Then, ọ is a separate word, it's a pronoun. So you separate it from chọrọ. Talking to Vera now. Separate that ọ. Let it stand alone. It's a pronoun. He. Okay? Chọrọ will stand alone. Ka anyị see okwu will now come. Ọ chọrọ. The same thing with ee. Remove, let your O stand alone. That is ọ chọrọ. Ọ is a pronoun. He. Okay? Ha chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. They. That is what VAR has written. They want us to quarrel. Okay? Freda. Ọ chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. Perfect. Freda. Perfect. Freda. I'm proud of you. I think these Igbo books you bought are really helping you a great deal now. Chikezie. Ọ chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. Perfect. That is the first person that got it. Then Vera also got it. Ọ chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. He wants us to quarrel. He or she goes with the pronouns ọ. We don't separate the text in Igbo pronoun for ọ. He or she is the same thing. Vera, ọ chọrọ ka anyị see okwu. Perfect correction. Except for your dot under that you have not gotten. Okay? Perfect correction. Then the last for today. Sienri. Because we gotta eat after this lesson. Sienri. Write the word. Sienri. Write the word. Sienri. Write the word. Quickly. That's the last for today. Sienri. Write the word. Sienri. Va has written. Chikeze has written. Okay. Waiting for others. Vera. Sienri. Yeah. What are the others doing? This is the last for today. I want everybody's response. Sienri Naija Young. Great. Who else is writing? Yeah. Who else? Sienri. Okay. You tried. Who else is dropping the response? Who else? Sienri. Okay. Where are the rest? Is that all? Is that all the response we got? That's the last for today. So you have to respond. You have to put in your, make your impact, make your name, reflect and show. Drop your answer. Okay, Freda Jumbo, Sienri, great. Okay, who else? Anybody still coming in? What about Clement? I didn't see his response. Is he still here? All right, let's do the correction. All of you that wrote Sienri, you are all correct. It's Sienri. That is correct. So what is the meaning of the word? Sienri. That is where we are going now. So please remember the correction now. It's Sienri. So where you wrote SEA is not correct. It's SIEC. So now cook. Okay, Vera has written cook. Vera, it seems you like food very well. I know. I can see women, they are the one to answer first. Okay, I've done the correction. That's fine. So what is the meaning of the word? Sienri. Okay, Sienri. This is two words. So Vera, it's not one word though. Chikeze has written cook food. Okay, Vera wrote spoke food. Mban. It's not spoke. Okay, Vera, cook food. Okay, you corrected yourself. Vera, cook food. Okay, better now. Cook food. Better now. Better. Freda, cook food. Better. Your teacher needs to eat food after this lesson. Please, if you have your own, if you have cooked your own, you need to send it to me. But I'm going to do that in sentence. Okay? Go cook food. after the lesson. Long sentence. Go cook food after the lesson. Go cook food after the lesson. Let me see those who are really Igbo people. Let me see those who can challenge me now. Go cook food after the lesson. Drop it. Go cook food after the lesson. It has happened. Go cook food after the lesson. Drop the sentence in Igbo language. Go cook food after the lesson. Go cook food. Go and cook food, or go cook food after the lesson. While we are waiting for your response, you need to hit your like button for this live session today. Hit your like button. Please, that is important to us. If you have not done that, the like button may be under or above your screen. Hit it. Please, it's important to us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be ready to buy our ebook immediately after this lesson. This video will be uploaded automatically. I'm going to drop a pinned text on top where we're going to have the link to our bookshop. It will also be in the description box of this video that will be uploaded automatically after this lesson. Go there, open the bookshop, go through, buy the books. You can buy all of them. It's just $25 for all the 10 books. Very cheap. Books that contain text and audio. So you have ebook and audiobook for the price of one, between $1 to $3. So cheap. Why will you not buy it today? Buy for your children. Let them learn when you go to work, when you go to business. Our Igbo guys hustling here and there. Drop it for your children. Let them watch the pictures and listen to the audios while you go to work. Let your husband learn. Let your wife or fiancé learn Igbo wherever you are. Send it to them to open it and learn, even when you are not there. When they are online or offline, it doesn't matter. Offline, you can still listen because you're going to download the audio for keeps. Okay? Let's look at the answers as we round up today. Okay? Let's see who wrote first. Okay, let me see. Okay, E wrote first. Gasienri afani mesia. Good effort. Chikezie. Gasienri ma amusia akwụkwọ. Okay, good effort. Val. Gasienri after akwụkwọ. Ngribu. You try. Val. You try. Fred Ajombo. Gasienri mgbe nkuzi. Oh, you would have gotten it if you have written something at the back. Mgbe nkuzi gasịrị. Mgbe nkuzi gasịrị. Talking to Fred Ajombo. Mgbe nkuzi gasịrị. After the class, you just stop at mgbe nkuzi, you did not put gasịrị. Otherwise, you would have got a perfect answer. Vera. Gasienri ma gị mụchaa akwụkwọ. That's also good. After learning. Okay. Or after ma class gasịa ma anyị mesịa ọmụmụ ma anyị mụsịa akwụkwọ. Okay. Ma gị mụchaa akwụkwọ. Gasienri ma gị mụchaa akwụkwọ. Vera, you really tried. This is a great response. Okay. Chike so segari yenri ma amusi akwụkwọ. Perfect. After the class, after learning, ma amusi akwụkwọ. All of you have tried today. Today is a great class. Please, if you are going to buy our books after this class, can you indicate by saying, I will buy? Please, can you do that? This will surely help you. You can hear the testimony from those who have bought. So if you are buying our books after this class, just say, I will, I will, I will. And then give this class a thumbs up. And let's thank all of you for coming on board. Val say, I will buy. Thank you, Val. Who else is buying our books after this class? Who else? Val say, I will buy. Who else is doing that? That is the only way we can support this program to go on. I need to cover my bills. I need to come around. And that you also need to learn faster with the books. So you are doing me help and doing yourself help by buying the books. So who else will buy? Can I get it from your YouTube page description? I will buy. Of course, when this video is uploaded, immediately I end this class, they will upload this video automatically into my channel. You just go to my home page and click on live, and then it will display this video and the other ones. Open the video, go to the description box, you will see a link to the bookshop. You open it and then see all the books displayed for you, 10 of them. You can buy all of them. Just $25, you buy all of them. So who else is buying? EE is going to buy, Val is going to buy. Who else is buying my books? Freda, books are the best. and very helpful. That's somebody who bought all of them last time. He said they are the best and very helpful. So what are you waiting for? So who else is buying? Only 2 people say they are going to buy. The rest don't want to buy. You just want to listen to my class and just listen and learn. You don't want to support us. You don't want to even learn faster. You don't want to help yourself even faster. Your children are at home. They will listen to it when you are not around. Your wife, your fiancé, everyone around you, your friends. So anybody else buying? Only 2 people. I hope the rest are going to respond as time goes on. You will know the importance of this book when you buy any of them and read and listen. So for those of you who are still thinking about it, do us a favor, buy the books. Do yourself a favor. Do this teaching a favor. Keep us on air. We need to cover our bills. That's why we're teaching you free, because there are ways we can get our cost covered. That's the only way you can do that for us. So buy the books today, support the channel, show us love, and help yourself to learn faster. Thank you for being in class today. See you next Saturday. Same time, same hour. Have a good weekend. Bye.